All right. I think we're on now. Right on. Okay. Yeah, last stream didn't work out so well. It went black on me. Still trying to figure out this whole system. Making some progress here. So yeah. Sorry if I look a little bit beat. Just fucking exhausted. Shouldn't cuss. So I gotta work on that. But yeah, I'll just do a couple quick little TA. This is your dreaded crypto channel. We're just going to check and see what's going on with the markets. Yeah, so Bitcoin's having a little bit of a pullback Sunday. Still had a strong weekly close. Well, I guess we're about to. It's not yet. But looking like we're having some rejection. So I think personally this is it. We're probably going to pull down. And that would be the best thing for us, honestly. Probably down to the 14K level, maybe wick down to 13 or even 12. Fully possible. Kind of see what happens this week. The markets will probably dictate it, but I could see them pulling back. Fed and everybody's kind of dragging their feet on stimulus, but I think it will happen. But you know, I know some people are still getting unemployment. Some states are actually getting rid of extended benefits, such as my state, without any notice. So I think there's probably gonna be some kind of bit of a crunch and probably have a big pullback in the markets before Christmas, and maybe they'll do a Christmas stimulus or something like that. Is my guess. And then you have the elections and all of that. It's still up and down, a little bit tumultuous there. It's kind of messed up. I'm actually watching the news right now. I mean, I'm not trying to take sides, but it's not very clear like who's actually going to be president right now. I know everyone's acting like it's going to be Biden, but I'm like, no, hard to say. Either way, that's kind of dragging out the uncertainty in the markets, I think. And Bitcoin, luckily, doesn't care. So that's what's pretty cool about it. As much as 2020 sucks, Bitcoin has been the honey badger. But yeah, this thing's being a little bit laggy. Let's see if I can refresh this. That might help. But yeah, on the other stream, I was kind of describing what kind of vibe I wanted to go for with this whole thing. I spend a lot of my time, a lot of my day, just obsessing about crypto, looking at charts. I probably watch at least 5 or 6 videos a day of just other people talking about the news and current events and their own TA. And I figure like maybe having a channel like this where I just consolidate it. I mean, some of these people just talk for days and hours. Like, I mean, people don't have that much time just to watch all these people all the time. I have, but most people don't. So maybe I can help consolidate. A lot of the other guys are really good at what they do, but some are, more bullish. Some are always bearish, like Crypto Kirby. I'd watch out for that guy. I don't know. Some of them, you gotta watch out. A lot of those YouTubers are just trying to make money. They want subscribers. They want you to join their trading groups and all of that. I'd be very, very wary about that until you know what you're doing. Even then, you got to copy them and follow them and their signals, and you have to be on top of that. It's just best thing to do is figure out what you want to do, how you're gonna, which coins you like, and you buy them on your own accord. HODL. I mean, just take from a macro perspective here, we're just starting a new bull market cycle. We're coming out of the bear market finally. After, I mean, I got in this market the end of 2017, basically the end of that bull run. I saw the bull run. I was there for it. And I don't know, 10x my money without even knowing it. I didn't have a whole lot of money into it. I think I put like $300 or $400 into crypto on Coinbase, and within 2 months it was like $2,500 or $3,000. I was like, what? Before I even knew it, and I was like, yeah, this is going to keep on going. I had no idea about how the crypto markets worked, and I mean, I was like a stock investor, but I had no idea. But just like imagine being at the beginning of 2017 or late 2016. That's where we're at right now. So this next year is a great time to like really get in, really want to be in by the end of this year. After that, I probably just want to hodl, buy some dips, but the time to really get in and see these massive gains is now. But here we are. Yeah, so XRP finally broke out. It's looking really good. We might pull back a little bit. Could even pull back to 30 cents as another support and bounce again, but I kind of think that's going to keep on going up, especially with the Spark token release coming up. Yeah, if you look at this, it's making some kind of a bull flag. This is on the 4-hour. Yeah, really messy bull flag. I bet that thing will go. Whoops. If you wanted to get technical analysis like on this thing, if I can get, Jesus, this thing's being super laggy. I'm gonna see if I can do a quick draw tool. If it'll let me, come on. Yeah, this is. Here we go. Let's see. Let's draw it. We'll go from the bottom to the base down here. Let's say right here conservatively, 25% move, about 10 cents. Let's see where we'll go. We'll probably go to, top at 50 or 60 cents. Really, this just thing is very laggy right now. I've been pushing this computer pretty hard today. It's just overheating. Yeah, XRP looks good. I think we'll get another run up. Link consolidating pretty good. I'm with a lot of other people. I think we'll probably see $100 link by the end of this year, and it could go crazy. Who knows? I mean, some people think it could go to 1,000. I don't think it would probably do that. But I mean, a couple hundred, I'm sure, very, very much in the cards. Just depends on what kind of news and the utility. I think this cycle is going to be a little bit less speculation, a little bit more utility driven. Some of these coins that are actually working and doing what they say, those are the ones that will be doing the best. Where last cycle was more about, this coin's saying that, that coin's doing that. But if you look at the last cycle, which coins did phenomenally the best were the ones that were utility, of course, Bitcoin, and then Ethereum. And Ethereum, yeah, it was speculative, but its use case was created because of all the smart contracts. And yeah, it got weighted down with all the mining fees and all of that, like actually what just recently happened. But with Ethereum 2.0, trying to fix all of that, and just the whole system is built on Ethereum, so that use case is not going to disappear. And of course, I mean, it might get diluted by some of these other projects. And then you got ADA, which I want to be really bullish on. I mean, I am bullish on it, but I don't know if it'll actually take out Ethereum, which some people are completely all about that. I'm like, this space is big. If it's gonna be able to accommodate multiple industries and coins. It's it might be more of a regional thing. It's I'm just speaking off the cuff, but I mean, who knows? Each country may have their 4 or 5 different coins or projects that they like the most. There's China's into Neo and Nano and a couple other ones. I feel like America's. I'm not really sure what we're all about. A little bit of everything. But yeah, I mean, Litecoin ended up doing pretty well last cycle. People started going to that because of its speed. But it lost a lot of its use case. That bear market hurt Litecoin pretty hard. But I think with the announcement of them maybe working with Cardano, that could really beef it all up. But yeah, it looks like, Litecoin, might come back down to 60 or 75. And of course, like if Bitcoin pulls back really hard, has a crazy wick down, it's going to pull everyone down with it initially. And then it'll probably consolidate in some kind of a way, and that's when the altcoins are really going to blow. So, best of luck on all of that. I'm really tired, and I apologize for that. Maybe we'll try to do this again tomorrow. I'll have something more to say to everybody, but be safe out there. HODL. Maybe don't buy Bitcoin right now. Not financial advice, but wait for a dip to that 20 week moving average, somewhere along that line, and then that might be one of the last times you're gonna be able to get it halfway cheap, because after that it'll probably be in the 20K, 30K, 40K range over this next year, which is insane to think about, but look at it. It's exciting times. The revolution is here. But yeah, I'll have this computer working a little bit better for me tomorrow. But until then, everyone have a good night.